Hello everyone, my name is Owen, and today I'm going to talk about my solution to climate change, design biophilic cities. Although my major is material science engineering, I'm usually interested in the design, so I choose it. Have you ever heard about the biophilic cities? I think you haven't, so first I will introduce the definition of biophilic cities. Biophilic city is a word that consists of biophilia and city. Biophilia is a word which means an innate love for the natural world. But that Korean means 자연친화, so biophilic city is the city with nature. Between city and nature, there are a lot of differences. Extremely, we can say that city is a real contrast to nature. Then why we need a biophilic city? Because it can be a good solution to climate change. Let's see the video.
We are certainly concerned about creating more sustainable, resilient cities, and that's a part of this agenda. We want to reduce our carbon footprint and live more sustainably, so that means more compact, denser cities, ideally. But it also means finding ways to integrate nature into everything that we build from now on. Okay?
In other words, we can get a sustainable and resilient city, and also we can reduce the climate change by reducing carbon footprint. Now, turning to how we can build a biophilic city. We can build a house with nature like this, and we can build a cafeteria with trees and plants, and also we can build a company with nature world, and we can build a pathway like plants and trees too. And if we want, we can build a classroom with nature too.
Please. Oh, please. I want plants in my classroom.
If we want, if we build a biophilic city with nature, we can get a lot of advantages. So let's move on to advantages. First, we can get a healthy effect. Nature, like trees and plants, can reduce the carbon footprint. And next, we can get an economy effect. The money used to clean the environment can be saved, and we can also get a beauty effect. The harmony between nature and city can be attractive to tourism. And lastly, we can also get a tourism effect because building with nature can be too attractive to many tourists. And let's see the video.
Singapore, for example, has now changed their motto from Singapore, a garden city, to Singapore, a city and a garden. And that seems like a little change, but it's really quite profound.
As we can know through the video, Singapore is a good example of a biophilic city. There are gardens by the bay in Singapore. They are real example of biophilic buildings. Here and here. Aren't they really beautiful? Yeah. To summarize, biophilic city is a real good solution to climate change, and also has other many positive effects. Thank you for listening.